Yo, what's up, everyone? Ever found yourself holding a fat stack of cash and wondering, can I just dump this whole thing into my Chime account in one shot? I mean, who hasn't? We've all been there, right? So, let's dive into the juicy details. How much can you actually load onto Chime in a single day? Let's talk real quick about why this matters. Maybe you just cashed out a big check, or maybe you're selling something online and want that cash in your account ASAP. Whatever the reason, knowing your limits is crucial. You don't want to get caught off guard with a declined transaction. So, here's the deal. The short answer is, you can deposit up to $1,000 into your Chime account in a single day. But, there's a catch: you can make up to 3 deposits within that 24-hour period. So, if you're trying to load more than $1,000, you'll need to break it up into those 3 deposits. Now, you might be thinking, cool, but what about other methods? Can I load more through direct deposit or something? Well, let's clear that up. Direct deposit has its own rules. Generally, you can get paid up to 2 days early, but the amount you can deposit depends on your employer. Some places might have limits, while others don't. But wait, there's more. You can also add cash to your Chime account at retail locations like Walgreens. It's pretty convenient, but keep in mind there might be limits and fees involved depending on the store. So, to recap, you can load up to $1,000 per day on Chime, but you can make up to 3 deposits within that 24-hour window. Direct deposit limits vary, and cash deposits at retail stores might have restrictions as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about those times when you need to load more than $1,000 in a day? Well, that's a whole different ballgame. You might need to consider alternative options or spread the deposits out over a few days. But hey, that's a topic for another video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay chill and keep your finances in check.